Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y35 and today I'll show you how we can boot this phone into recovery mode. Now to get started you want to hold power key and from there select power off. Once the device turns off you can hold power and volume up at the same time. And once you see the VIVO logo on the screen, let go of both of the keys. This will then take us to fast boot mode, so from here using volume keys you want to select recovery mode and confirm it with power key. Give it a moment and it will then boot us into recovery mode. And there we go. As you can see we have a couple options in here like install software, clear data and check system. Under clear data we have two options, which is clear cache and clear all data, which is factory reset basically. And at the bottom we have shutdown and reset as ways of getting out of this mode. So I'm going to select start, which will reboot the device and take me back to Android. And as you can see we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.